Meet the Shark WANDVAC Power Pet Extended, a lightweight cordless vacuum with powerful suction to remove pet hair, dirt, and everyday messes quickly and easily. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Shark WANDVAC Power Pet Extended, Duster Crevice Tool, Multi-Surface Pet Tool, WANDVAC Charging Stand, and User Manual. How to use? Before first use, assemble the charging dock and charge the battery fully for about 3.5 hours by placing the vacuum nozzle first on the dock. To use, lift the vacuum off the dock, press the power button for deep clean mode, use the boost button for extra suction, or press the eco button for quieter operation. Attach accessories by sliding them onto the nozzle and remove them using the one-touch accessory release buttons if equipped. To remove the battery, press the release tabs, slide it out, and reinstall it until it clicks into place. Maintenance. Turn off the vacuum before maintenance. Empty the dust cup over a trash bin, tap out debris, and wipe the filter screen with a dry cloth. Remove the filter, tap off dust, rinse it with water only, and let it air dry for at least 24 hours before reinstalling. If you notice reduced suction or unusual noise, check the dust cup and air intake openings for blockages and remove any trapped debris. Smart features? Delivers strong cordless suction to quickly remove pet hair, dust, crumbs, and everyday debris. It provides fast, efficient cleaning on upholstery, stairs, car interiors, and other surfaces. The lightweight, compact design makes it easy to carry and maneuver for quick cleanups. It offers comfortable one-handed operation around your home, car, and stairs. The motorized pet power brush is designed to lift stubborn pet hair from upholstery, carpets, and fabric surfaces. It helps remove embedded fur and dirt for a deeper, more effective clean. Includes versatile attachments to clean tight corners, narrow gaps, and other hard-to-reach areas. These tools make it easy to tackle dirt in cars, furniture, and around the home. The one-touch dust cup release lets you empty collected dirt quickly and hygienically. It helps reduce contact with dust and debris for a cleaner disposal process. Specifications. FAQs. Troubleshooting. Available accessories. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Shark WANDVAC Power Pet Extended. See you at the next one.